Hello and welcome. Today we're down at Grouville Marsh, one of the island's SSIs which we manage, and we're looking at the freshwater environment today, particularly the brook that runs alongside the marsh and is actually an integral part of how we manage the site, because as being a marshland, the freshwater is obviously the most important part of the site. So what we've been doing today is actually going along and starting to clear out some of the excess vegetation of the brook. Now we've had a lot of questions asking us why we don't do this earlier in the year, because the brook is covered in greenery and people don't think that it looks very pretty. The reason for this is we've got some species that breed in there, three-spined stickleback as well as a lot of other invertebrates, but we also have other species of particular conservation significance living in this brook that we need to manage and look after. And actually I've got some of them right here. So whilst we've been clearing out the stream, we've also had to pay attention to the wildlife actually present within it. We've left it to later in the year so that we know that species such as the three-spined stickleback, which are these guys, have finished breeding, because they make their nests in the bottom of the silt. The males make the nest and the females choose the best male they want to breed with, and then they lay the eggs in that nest, and the male actually takes care of the nest, not the female. The other species of importance we actually have in the brook down here at Grouville Marsh is freshwater eel. Now these aren't full-size eels, these are the young elvers, which you can see just here. Now freshwater eels are actually on global decline, so having a place like Grouville Marsh, which is managed for conservation, and we actually manage to have these eels here that we can look after, is really important. And it also goes towards the whole biodiversity of Jersey and making sure that we are actually helping, not just on a local scale, but on an international scale, of how we help protect our wildlife.